Let's read more words. Words that name the body parts of a fish. The body parts of a fish. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Head, head, head. Gill, gill, gill. Fins, fins, fins. Tail, tail, tail. The body parts of a fish. Head, head. Eyes, eyes. Mouth, mouth. Fins, fins. Tail, tail. Gill, gill. The body parts of a fish.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.